What's happening, good people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm a music producer, and today I'm back with a new tutorial. So today what I'm going to show you how I made this song titled Musiq Saved Me. It's an original mix by me. So the plugins that I'm going to be using to make this song is Omnisphere, Contact, and Arcade, and GMS by FL Studio. The pack that I used on this is KS4, the Amapiano pack. So let me play you what I have before I do the breakdown of this song. So basically you can copy whatever that I did. So let's get straight into this. Yes, that's the song right there. So first things first, let's start with the drums. You can copy paste this on your new Amapiano song. Probably gonna change it, but this is how it sounds. Then I added these shakers from the KS4 pack. I penned them left and right. Then it's my chords. The key of this song is C minor, so this is how it sounds. So I use the Lydian mode when I was playing this. This is like it's like a jazz scale. So these are delayed chords. They don't start at the downbeat, they start in the middle. So then on the beat, then is the pad from Omnisphere. Then is my bass, upright bass from DX10. Then I layered that with a log drum preset that I created. You can copy the settings, the attack, time, sustain release, decay, time release. So this is how it sounds like. All right. Then it sounds like this. That's like the chorus. So for the main hook, this is what I used. I added some snares and I layered them with the log drum. So it sounds like this. This is the whole pattern. So first things first is the bell. It's for the main melody line. Then the GMS. Then some saxophone. No, I'm lying, it's a tuba, if I'm not mistaken. That's a trombone. Then it's the log drum. Basically, that's about it. Then I played some saxophone from arcade. Yes, see, I played, yeah. That's the pattern. Then there's a switch up of the same saxophone. Sounds like this. Then that's about it. Like that's how you make a quick Amapiano beat. So I go by the name Phoenix Flame. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share with your friends. This is like my shortest Amapiano tutorial. What else? What did I forget to say? Oh, please subscribe. Tell your grandma about me. Tell everybody about me. Tell your friends about me. And subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm Phoenix Flame for God Level Beats. I'm signing out.